In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 ways to group elements in Canva. I have a flyer design open in Canva. I would like to group these text boxes at the bottom here. The first way I'm going to show you, we're going to select these 3 elements, and I'm holding down Shift to select multiple elements at once. When you select multiple elements, you'll see this little pop-up that appears that says group. So you can just click group, and now this is one element and it's grouped. The second way to group elements is to select a couple elements, and you can right click and say group. And the third way is to select one thing in your design and hit position. You'll want to navigate over to layers, and from here you can select which layers you would like to group and select them individually. So on my Mac, I can hold down the Command key and just click the layers in this layers panel that you want to group. You can see I have 4 layers selected now, and from here you can right click and say group, and they are now one element. If you want to ungroup, select the grouped elements. You'll get this pop-up up top and you can say ungroup. You can also right click and say ungroup. So those are 3 ways to group elements in Canva. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more Canva tutorials. Thanks so much.